On docs.servicenow.com, we're evolving functionality and features regularly based on your feedback and to better support ServiceNow applications. Check out our new look. The design and colors are aligned with WCAG to make our content more accessible to people with disabilities. We've updated a few other things too. Remember that pop-up reminding you to log in? We heard your feedback and streamlined the login prompts. When you visit your profile, you can still choose which products and release families are relevant to you, including Madrid. That's right, now you can access Madrid documentation. Let's take a look at the release notes and subscribe to upgrade topics. We've also added a tile for mobile content. Another new feature is localized content, starting with the London release family. Documentation for IT service management and performance analytics and reporting is now available in both Japanese and German. To see this content, use the language selector at the top of the page. Here's what ITSM documentation looks like in Japanese, and here's performance analytics and reporting in German. You can switch languages without leaving the page. When you search for a topic, you'll get search results based on the language you've selected. If there are no results in that language, you'll get English results. Do you want documentation to go? Our PDFs are always available for offline use. Remember, be sure to log in to docs.servicenow.com to reap the benefits of these new features. And if you have any comments or feedback, please send us an email at docfeedback@servicenow.com.